And when you speak the E, you can speak it in a way a German would speak E in a way that he refers to his vertical soul. He speaks E, and he centers and he concentrates like this. And when the German says E, you see it already in my mouth, it becomes broad, and the tongue, the energy draws things like this. E. E. You can try it. E. Huh? And the interesting thing is that in this energy, you also can say E. You can have this energy and let it still sound E. E. Yeah? And that's more what we do now. We have an E, which is this E. And it's exactly what in German the E is. And when you want to have this energy, where the Germans say E, then you say I. And when in English you say I, you also arrive in this. But the English language is doing it as a process. I. And in the German language, just step in a different way into it and we just say E. Yeah? So what we do today is we do the E, but with this energy, left and right, this correspondence. And now I invite you to join for eurythmy.